You are audible. So, how are you, Sachin? How was the
I'm
day?
I'm I'm fine, sir.
Okay. So, first of all, introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Sachin Kumar, sir. I'm from a small village of Charkhi Dadri district of Haryana. I did my 10th standard from Indraprasth International School, Rudiawas, Jhajjar. After that, I shifted to my relative place from where I did my 12th standard from RPS Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. And after that, sir, I did my graduation from Ramjas College, University of Delhi. My hobbies include, sir, running, cycling, sir, reading books, meditation, and my interest in traveling and to do some kind of curious activities. And sir, currently I am preparing for the armed forces exam and I am a defense aspirant.
Okay, very good. So, why you choose defense? Why you want to join defense sector?
Sir, there are three reasons for that. Sir, first reason is that, sir, my maternal uncle is in the paramilitary forces. Sir, he is a serving sub-inspector in ITBP, sir. So he is my inspiration for joining armed forces, sir. The kind of personality he have, the way he talk, the grooming, and the image he got in our relatives, quite inspiring for me. And second, sir, I want to become first officer of my family, sir. And third, sir, it is my interest, sir. I from my childhood I want to join the uniform services and also want to do something extraordinary for my country if I get opportunity.
Okay, very good. So, now tell me, what is terrorism and what are the steps taken by the government with respect to terrorism?
So terrorism, in my opinion, sir, terrorism is a social and a political problem, and it also have a root with the economy of our country. Terrorism in our country is broadly defined from the J&K militancy, where there will be a religious orthodoxy which promotes certain kind of peoples from particular uh, region to make a wars against the country just to attack the unity and integrity of our country. And so terrorism is also in the northeastern sector and some and a few part of terrorist activity like Maoism, Naxalism, which also seen in our country, sir. And there are several steps taken by our government, sir, like the best equipments, it operation effective operation between the intelligence and the security forces in the Kashmir. And secondly, sir, there are also several development activities like the various package announced by our Prime Minister in during the JNK visit for the upliftment of the poor section of JNK, especially the health package, the social, the infrastructure package. So, sir, in my opinion, the step taken by the government is quite good, but we need to think more ahead in this direction.
Okay, so can we uproot it from our country?
Of course, sir, we can uproot it from our country, sir. But
So,
for
mm,
we need a serious commitment from our policymaker, bureaucrats, and our security forces, sir.
okay, very good. So, what do you think? What are the recent issues arising in southern India?
Sir, I have no idea about the recent issues.
Okay, do
So,
you know up to date with current affairs, or there are a lot of flood in Andhra Pradesh, and these type of activities are arising?
sir, I have heard a news about the flood activity in the Andhra Pradesh, especially in the southern state of our country.
Hmm.
Sir, this will due to our vulnerability of our country due to climate change. As we have seen the various leaders of different countries participated in the COP26 meeting of the Glasgow. They the agenda for their meeting is just to discuss what the policies for all around the world so that we can mitigate the effect of climate change. And this is also the outcome of our policy, especially toward the environment, sir.
Okay, very good. Now tell me, have you heard about electromagnetic waves?
Yes, sir.
So, what are electromagnetic waves, or what kind of they are?
Sir, electromagnetic waves are, sir, just,
Are you aware
sir,
of
it's
that?
a electric, sir, I have aware of that, but at that time I don't
Okay,
remember, sir.
okay, no problem. Now tell me, do you know about momentum? How it is connected? How it is connected with impulse?
Sir, momentum is a product of mass and velocity, sir.
Okay.
And sir, it is relative to the impulse because sir, the momentum for any body give a impulse to impulse outcome in the impulse.
Are you not exactly aware of that? What exactly it is? How it is
Sir,
related?
sorry, sir, I do
Okay.
not remember.
You can say change in momentum is equals to impulse, right? It is change in momentum. Force applied on a body for a very short period of time. That is called impulse, right? Now tell me, what are the non-renewable sources of energy in India, or how we are utilizing it?
Sir, non-renewable sources in India, sir, coal, petroleum, and other various refinery products. Sir, and we are utilizing the potential of non-renewable sources of energy, especially the coal from the Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh region. These are used in the thermal power plant and also used in the railways. So it have a direct impact on the infrastructure and the development of our country. Sir.
Okay, very good. Now tell me, do you know about vacuoles? There are a lot of organelles in our cell, right? There are mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, and lot of things. So, have you heard about vacuoles in cell?
Sir, vacuoles is a part of a body, sir, from which sir, excretion of things takes place.
What exactly it do?
Sir, actually, I don't have much knowledge about this.
Okay, no problem. Can you tell me where we found DNA?
Sir, chromosome, sir, chromosome.
Chromosome. Other than that,
So, in my opinion, chromosome, sir,
but there are one more place where we can get it.
sir, DNA is also found in the mitochondria. Sir.
Very good. Have you visited any place in India other than your state?
Yes, sir.
So, what are the places?
Sir, I have visited sir Allahabad for my SSP, sir,
Okay.
and Bhopal, sir, Coimbatore, and with various trips with my friends in the summer vacation, especially in the college, sir. I have visited the Dehradun, sir, Mussoorie, sir,
Okay.
and
So, what
also,
do you
sir,
think?
some religious places, sir.
Okay. What do you think how Coimbatore is different from your state?
Sir, Coimbatore is called the Manchester City of South, sir. It is quite important, sir. If give a comparison of our states, sir, our state, especially my village, sir, in which I am living, sir, it is completely rural centric. But in Coimbatore, sir, there is a lot of expansion of industries and the management, overall urban management in Coimbatore is quite good as compared to my city, sir. And several religious places which have a more historical significance in that particular city as compared to our town, sir.
Okay. Very
And the
good.
traffic system in Coimbatore is also good as compared to my state.
Okay.